Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Sino SN-1800V Infusion Pump, from its advanced features to its affordability. Whether you're a healthcare professional or simply curious about medical technology, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. The Sino SN-1800V Infusion Pump is a high-performance medical device designed to deliver precise and controlled infusions of fluids, medications, and nutrients to patients. Widely used in hospitals and healthcare settings, this pump is trusted for its accuracy, safety, and versatility in managing a wide range of infusion therapies. Let's talk about the key features of the Sino SN-1800V Infusion Pump. 1. Multiple infusion modes. Includes volumetric, dose rate, and time-controlled options for versatile treatments. 2. Precision flow. Control. Ensures accurate fluid delivery, minimizing risks of under- or over-infusion. 3. Safety features. Includes occlusion detection and air bubble alarms for patient safety. 4. Battery backup. Continues operation during power outages or patient transport. Now, let's talk about the accessories that come with the Sino SN-1800V Infusion Pump. First up, the infusion set makes sure fluids are transferred safely and accurately, and it works perfectly with the pump's flow control system. Then, we have the pole clamp, which lets you easily mount the pump on an IV pole or bedstand, so you can position it exactly where it's needed during treatment. And finally, the rechargeable battery pack ensures the pump stays mobile, perfect for patient transport or when power supply is unstable. From where to purchase Sino SN-1800V Infusion Pump? You can purchase the Sino SN-1800V Infusion Pump from Docneer Hospi Solutions at lowest guaranteed price in India. Plus, enjoy a warranty of up to 2 years when you make your purchase from Docneer Hospi Solutions. Who are we? We are Docneer Hospi Solutions Private Limited, a company founded by alumni engineers from IIT Bombay and doctors from AIMS Delhi, a direct importer and wholesale medical devices seller approved by the CDSCO Government of India. We support hospitals and doctors by offering high-quality new and refurbished medical equipment at the lowest guaranteed prices across India. For more details, contact us at 8228 444 55.